this video we are going to see project number 16. This is our project. This is very simple projects. For creating this project, some views are given. So you can see front and top views are given here. All dimensions are mentioned. So for creating this project, I am going to get first of all base plate. So base plate dimension we need. You can see actually this section I am going to create, and I am going to extrude 48 mm. So what is the total length? Actually we need total length. So if front view you will see, so total values is not given here. You can see mid value is not given here. So from the top view I am going to take reference. So center point to this right side edge is 45. So this side also it will be approx 45 mm. So I am going to take 90 mm total distance, and this value 6 mm. So go for a sketch, select your front plane, create a rectangle, create a center rectangle. Just define total length values, how much? 90 mm, and this width value is 6 mm. Just finish your sketch and extrude it symmetrically. Okay, just go for you can see total value is 48. So go for symmetric and define that values. 48 divided by 2, because of symmetrically I am extruding here. You can hide this sketch. The next, what we are going to do next, I am going to create this rectangle. Okay, this corner rectangle, and in mid also one rectangle is there. You can see this rectangle I will create, and this outer circle. Then there are two arc actually. So both arc we will create. So here in isometric you can see both walls and this rectangle and this circular portion I am going to make. Okay, so in one sketch I am going to create every sketches, every profile. So go for top face and create a corner rectangle first for side wall. Sorry, corner rectangle, not center rectangle. This side also you have to define. You have to create a rectangle. Next go for IP dimension and define dimension. Define 6 mm. So this side you have to apply 0, or you have to align vertically. Okay, just align it or coincident. Okay, now another profile, corner rectangle. Okay, so just a second, see in which side actually we need this side. Okay, so go for top, and now create a corner rectangle and define dimension how much? 22 mm and 27 mm. So just define that values which is given in drawing. Now just apply make symmetry. Just make symmetry with this x axis. Okay, now create arc. So for this arc actually, this both arc we are going to create. For that some values, inner radius is outer radius 15 and inner is 9. Okay, so just go and create two circle. From this center point, outer is 30 mm dia and inner will be 18 mm dia. Okay, so we need half circle only. That's why I am going to project this outer edges. Just project it. Okay, now trim unwanted sketches, unwanted curves. So this curve also we don't need. This curve also we don't need. Here also something is overlapped because I projected that line. So once you have to trim this extra line. So now all closed profile is created. Now I am going to extrude it separately. Okay, so while extruding you have to consider all height values. Okay, so first of all I am going to extrude this wall 30 mm. Okay, so 30 mm minus 6 because of from that face I created. So go for extrude and select, click here as a connected or single. Okay, all connected profile is selecting here. Just define how much 30 minus 6 mm. Just click OK. Then next we have to extrude this profile. How much we have to extrude? You can see how much you have to extrude from the front. Yeah, 28 mm. So 28 minus 6. So we have to extrude it 22 around. Okay. So go for 28 minus 6. Okay. Just click OK. Then next we have to extrude it. How much we have to extrude this arc? 42 mm. Okay, 42 minus 6. Now you can calculate your values, how much you have to extrude. Just select your sketch carefully and define 42 minus 6 and click OK. Now you can see all sketches are extruded here. Now go for isometric view first. Just a second. Go for isometric view, and another one cut is there. Okay, just go to drawing and you can see here something cut out is there. So what is the values? 10 mm and 20 mm values. You can see length and width values. Just go to top view and create a corner rectangle first. Create a corner rectangle and define rapid dimension. How much? 10 mm. This value will be 10 mm and this values will be how much? 21. Now you have to make symmetry. So just to go for make symmetry. Select both boundary lines and then center line. Now you have to cut out. Select your sketch, change your direction first, then how much you have to subtract. See in this drawing, so you can see dot line. So up to last means through all, up to last you have to cut. So go for until next. You can see until next surface that is going to cut. Now you can see this cutout is also created here. Next what we have to apply? Fillet. Some another line you can see here. Some another line is look like, what is that? That is fillet. You can see this corner radius is 5 mm. So just go for edge blend and select that edges. Okay, radius is 5 mm already. Just click OK. Okay, so next step. Next what we have to do? Next we have to get this rib. Okay, from top view you can see here and from front view you can see. So we have to get this rib actually for supporting purpose. So one line will be there with angle 65-degree angle and position of this point 31 mm. So go for a sketch, go for front mid plane and create a, first convert it as a wireframe, then only you can see inside sketches, inside boundary lines. Create a line. First of all define this point to boundary distance. How much? 31 mm. Just define 31 mm. And another one is angle value. You can see this is the 31 mm and this is the 65-degree angle. So select this boundary and this line. How much? You have to apply 65 mm. Okay, so profile is created here. So no need to touch this profile fully. Okay, also gap is accepted in the rib option. Now go for rib and select your, first convert it as a sided with edges, then only you can get idea. Select your profile and then define thickness values. Okay, symmetric total values we need 10, and I'm applying 10 divided by 2, or 5 also you can apply. Sorry, not 5, 4 actually we need. So you have to change these values as a 8 divided by 2, and then click OK. So now you can see this rib is created here. Next step, next first you hide your all sketches. That is little bit confusion. Okay, then go for image, go for image and see what is the next step. So you can see one hole is there in this back side face. Yes, so with dia 16 mm. So just rotate it, go for home and create a sketch on this face, create a circle. Yes, define dia 16 mm and then define position. So what is the position? Just go for drawing. See, the center point to this boundary line, and the height is 17 mm. First define height, this boundary to center point 17 mm, close it, and this value actually we need from the vertical line to center point. So from the top view, here not given, you can see from the top view 45 mm. So just go for rapid dimension and define 45 mm. Okay, now you can extrude cut. Select a curve, change your direction first. Until next, already in subtract mode, just click OK. You can hide this circle. Okay, go for isometric view. You can see this is your view. So by applying this methods, this procedure, you can create easily this drawing. So okay guys, thank you so much.